Good morning, my dear little kids. Welcome you all in today's maths class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places and joining your classes on regular basis. Yes, attending the classes. Very good. And I hope you all are enjoying the classes also. Yes, अच्छा लगता है सबको classes attend करना. Very good. Okay, so my dear students, in today's class, we will do one new thing. I would like to tell you that today we will do table of two. Table of two. Are you excited for today's topic? Wow, most of you are very excited. So bring out your notebooks. First of all, ma'am will write the table on the board and you have to watch it carefully and speak with ma'am. Okay? After then we will start writing. So see how we will do table. Table of 2. Today we are going to do table of 2. So first of all we will write 2 here. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. इसको हम कैसे बोलते हैं? 2 ones are 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Means 2 and 2. जब 2 and 2 को yes ऐड करते हैं then क्या आंसर आता है? 2 and 2 4. The same thing is this 2 into 2 means 2 times 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. We will say 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Again 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into 3 means 3 times 2. 2, 2 and 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 means 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. Speak with me. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Means 2, 4 times 2. 2, 2, 2 and 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. Speak loudly. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 means 5 times 2. Like this. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. 5 times 2. 2 and 2. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are. If we will add 2 times 2, then we will get answer 4. 2 twos are means 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are means 3 times 2. 1, 2 and 3. 3 times 2 means is equal to 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8 means 4 times 2. 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 2, 6. And 2 and 6 and 2, 8. Means 2 fours are 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are mean 2 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 twos here. So 2 fives are 10. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Again speak with me and speak loudly, okay? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Okay? Understand? Speak again. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. I hope you all understand. Let's repeat again. 2 ones are 2. Speak. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. I hope you all understand and learned the table of 2 till 5. Yes, up to 5 you all have learned. We will do the complete table of 2 in our next class. Okay. Again, repeat the table with me and after that we will start writing. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Done? Now we will write the table in the notes. Now write the topic of today's class in your notebooks. Table of 2. नोटबुक पर टेबल ऑफ 2 आपने राइट करना है लाइक दिस. You have this kind of notebook with boxes. Yes. So in first box here you have to write 2 and always remember that when you are writing numbers in the boxes you have to leave some space here and touch the bottom line. Okay. Always touch the bottom line. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. Write the same thing in your notebooks. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 fives are 10. And always remember this thing. When you are writing 10, 0 will comes below these all numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. And 1 will comes on this side. Because these all are only single digit numbers, one digit numbers. These all are ones. And this 1 will be placed on tens place. So 1 will be write on this side, on left side. Okay? हमेशा ये चीज याद रखनी है बेटा कि 2, 4, 6, 8 के नीचे 0 आएगा and 1 will be, we have to write 1 on this side. Okay? So now I hope you all have done this work. Done? Now speak with me again. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Again, 2 ones are 2. Speak loudly. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. I hope you all have learned the table till 5 and you all have done this work in your notebooks also. Yes? Now your today's homework is this. You have to learn the table up to 5. 2 fives are 10. And you have to repeat the same work in your notebook again. Okay? On one page of your notebook, you have to write it 4 times. One time you have already done and you have to do on second, third and fourth time in your notebooks in your homework today. And after that, you have to click the pictures of your notebook and send it to ma'am. Bye-bye. Take care. We will meet in our next class. Bye-bye.